Subscribe to our channel and please press bell icon for new videos. Batch file programming is nothing but the Windows version of Unix shell programming. Let's start by understanding what happens when we give a DOS command. DOS is basically a file called command.com. It is this file, command.com, which handles all DOS commands that you give at the DOS prompt, such as copy, directory, del, etc. These commands are built in with the command.com file. Such commands which are built in are called internal commands. DOS has something called external commands too, such as format, undelete, backup, etc. So whenever we give a DOS command, either internal or external command.com either straight away executes the command. Internal command is an external separate program which executes the command for it and returns the result. External commands. So why do I need batch file programs? Say you need to execute a set of commands over and over again to perform a routine task like backing up important files, deleting temporary files, star.tmp, .back, -star, etc. Then it is very difficult to type the same set of commands over and over again. To perform a bulk set of same commands over and over again, batch files are used. Batch files are to DOS what macros are to Microsoft Office and are used to perform an automated predefined set of tasks over and over again. Hacking truth. While creating a batch file, one of the things that you need to keep in mind is that the file name of the batch file should not use the same name as a DOS command. For example, if you create a batch file by the name directory.bat and then try to execute it at the prompt, nothing will happen. This is because when command.com comes across a command, it first checks to see if it is an internal command. If it is not, then command.com checks if it is a .com.exe or .bat file with a matching file name. All external DOS commands use either a .com or a .exe extension. DOS never bothers to check if the batch program exits. C:/CD Windows Telnet. Now let's analyze the code. The first line tells command.com to go to C:/. Next it tells it to change the current directory to Windows. The last line tells it to launch the Telnet client. You may contradict saying that the full file name is telnet.exe. Yes, you are right, but the .exe extension is automatically added by command.com. Normally we do not need to change the drive and the directory, as the Windows directory is the default DOS folder. So instead, the batch file could simply contain the below and would still work. Telnet. Now let's execute this batch file and see what results it shows. Launch command.com DOS and execute the batch file by typing batch_file_name like I am doing. You would get the following result.
Now guys, I am going to execute that batch file. For executing this batch file, you need to open command.com or your command prompt. Now just type command.com and just I am typing it, and now okay, open it. As I have opened in the screen, type cd. Oh, I have typed wrong. Now type cd/enter. Now type cls as I am typing. After typing cls, open, right click on that file, anything.bat, and just open properties and copy the location. After copying the location, just paste that location in that your command.com. After copying the location, copy the file name by putting a slash and just paste it. After pasting it, just press enter and you just did it. This is the basic thing that you need to know, how to take a batch file program. This you can type and you can show also. It is not important that you need to do a batch notepad programming. Now guys, I am going to tell you that the most and foremost thing is that now the starting with a ram command, or how to do a work in CMD or command promote. So starting with the ram command, we will have to have a command.com file. As I am going to show you a practical what does the ram command do, and I am going to show you how you can clean your computer and how you can clean your temporary files with CMD command promote very easily. Remember friends, I am going to show you this all on the next video of my course.